Isang taon ngayon ng iyong pagpanaw, tila kahapon lang nang ika'y lumisan. Subalit sa akin, ang tanging naiwan, mga alaalang di malilimutan.
Dok, pasensya na ha, ngayon lang namin sinabi.
Dok, bakit ngayon siya sabi?
Ay, na kasi ipaalam.
Bakit ngayon siya sabi?
Rio!
Rio! Rio!
Saglit lang ha, kukuha lang ako ng gamot.
Hindi mo na sinabi.
Just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Kung ako'y nasa pook na limit dalawin, naalala ko ang aking paggiliw. Tuwa'y dumadalaw sa aking paningin kung nagunita kong tayo'y magkapiling. Kung... Diba?
Ain't it funny? Is it just beginner's luck, baby?
With just one touch, two different people from such different worlds apart have touched each other's heart like candles in the dark.
If it's time for us, we've gotta take it, take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin, let the light come shine.
Pag-ibig sa'kin na iyong dinadama. Ang puso, huwag mong itago sa isang kahapon. Sana'y nabalik.
If it's time for us, we've gotta take it, take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin, let the light come shining in. Who knows where the road will lead us now? Look at what we found. Make this moment.
Kung minsan sadya kong dalawin ang bahay na kung saan unang tayo'y nag-ibigan. Sa bakurat bahay sa lahat ng lugar, itong kaluluwa'y hinahanap na ikaw.
Here we are, so close together. I can feel the fire between us.
We've come this far, too far to stop it now. If this is meant to be, a chance for
Marahil tinubos ka ni Bathala upang sa isipay hindi ka tumanda, at ang larawan mo sa puso ko't diwa ay manatiling maganda at bata.
Ko, bakit ako pa? Bakit kung kailan okay na ang lahat? Bakit? Bakit? Lord, please give me a chance para makasama ko ang mahal ko. Lord, please.
Dahil nga rito ang pagmamahalan ay hanggang matapos ang kabataan, itong alaala ay lalaging buhay, lalaging sariwa at kawalang hanggan. Ang kaugalian ng ninuno natin, 1 taon akong magluluksa man din, ngunit ang puso ko ay sadyang maninimdim, hanggang kalangitan tayo'y magkapiling.
Let's pretend, baby, that you've just met me, and I've never seen you before. I'll tell all my friends that I think you're staring, and you say the same to yours. And oh, we'll dance around it all night, and then I'll follow you outside and try to open up my mouth and nothing comes.
Kasi ikaw ay parang... Yun na nga. Parang na, change.
Yun, natatawa ulit siya, syempre.
Bon, paano?
Sino mo?
Bayan, kita.
Buti yung tenga mo, hindi, no?
Wait lang, anong gagawin ko?
In my head, I see you all over me. My head, you fulfill my fantasy. My head, you'll be screaming no. In my head, it's going down. My head, it's going down. My head,
This is the
yeah. In my head, oh yeah.
Nicki Minaj, Young Money, astronomical, animated, so comical. His fantasy takes us demonical. All up in his head like a follicle. Bite me, your money short, 5 feet. Put me in a ward, psyche. Smash more clubs than Tiger Woods' wifey. I am the bitch. Wash them dishes and feed me grits. Hit up JR and tell him to call Jason. Do a pop song and stack my Caucasians. Now let's hit the Beijing. Kiss, kiss, kiss him, then I'm up out of his daydream. There I go,
Pwede mag-sorry.